Hey guys, it's me Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today I'm going to show you guys 3 items you need to buy from Harbor Freight. 3 very durable items and worth every penny. First and foremost, the car canopies. They are normally 10 feet tall. I've boosted my one up there with some stilts to park my canopy or to park my trailer underneath the canopy. And that canopy had about a foot of snow on it, and for it being a type of fabric, it's waterproof. It held up very well. Now mind you, it was bowing, so I went in there with a broom and I knocked it all off from the inside, just whack it, and all the snow was falling off to the side. But absolutely worth the money. I think I paid $99 for it. I just put them on stilts, as you can see. I just milled out some wooden stilts and I bumped her up a bit. So I would absolutely, totally worth every penny. I just bought this pressure washer, so I'm going to give it a shot. I got a couple of tarps, some spare tires that I have, and this is all the cardboard. We recycle all the cardboard over here. They have a free bin that you could throw all the cardboard in, so we just do the right thing and we recycle them. Absolutely worth it. I would totally buy the car canopies. For 99 bucks I think I spent on them. So the second thing I would recommend is the winches. This is a 2,500 pound winch from Badland, and it's the cheaper one that you could buy. I think it was $49, but some of the most friendliest people I know here, guy gave me a better price on it. I think it was the last one that was there. Got it for 38 bucks. Oh, actually no, that one I did pay $49. I think it was on sale for 40 bucks or $49, something like that. I have 3 winches. I got one in the back of my tractor, which I've had for over 15 years, and the thing works great. And the reason I know it's over 15 years is when we lived in the apartments, my dad asked me, what the hell did you buy that thing for? Because I only had a 1990 Honda CRX that I would have strapped it to, but I was younger and I said, it's a full complete winch, you never know when you might need a winch, blah 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 blah. So I bought it for 49 bucks and I've had it ever since. So my dad passed in 2007, and I believe it was like 2001 or 2002 when I got that winch, because I was in school for computers and I just completed my A+ and my MCSE. So that was 2001, 2002, and the thing works great. Now the box did die on me, but that was because of the weather, I believe, up here. I left it in the rain too long. But again, people are so kind up here. The guy had an incomplete one, and he actually gave me this wireless remote system that goes with it. So he took it out of the incomplete box and just gave it to me because I told him it fried. But I was buying one for the reason of replacing it, so I bought another one anyways, and I have that one still in the box. I'm kind of cleaning out my garage, getting rid of things I don't need. Got to fix this lawnmower. So right there in the box, brand spanking new. And since they're cordless, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this guy up here and use it to load like my heavy generator, or if I have anything heavy that I want to load into the back of the truck, I'll just, press the button to have the winch cable come down, hook it up, lift it up, back my truck underneath it, back my truck under it, and bada bing, bada bang, ready to go. So I have a couple of projects I'm working on currently, but I'll get around to I'll record those. Got some hay for my chickens. So let me see what else. So this wood, this is 2 dumps. This is the first pile and the second pile that I dropped, and then I got another pile here, which I'm going to dump right now and show you guys. And that's the third item I'm going to get to, are these canvas bed liners. You lay it down onto the back of the bed, you load it up, and then you use this crank handle, and you put the crank handle, once you drop the bed, of course, you put the crank handle in and you just roll the stuff right off the back of your bed. And I'm going to show you guys how I do that right now. I'm going to drop this load as well. So let's get around to doing that. Meanwhile, So, and I fixed my little mower. So, let's see, hopefully you can see from there. It does have a little catch, which you hook up to your bumper and it keeps your tail bed down. But once the load gets on it, I figured I don't need it anymore. This would have been great, like we did tile work and I had a whole bunch of boxes of tile and you load them all up and you can bring all the tile to the back instead of getting into the back and unloading all that. That would have been really good to use for that reason. $44. Saves you an hour of time unloading all this stuff. And you can do it all by yourself too, which is awesome. Anyway, you get the idea. Pretty damn cool. 3 items I recommend. The canopies, the winches, and this little $44 roll-off bed. Any questions or comments, guys? Leave them below. And thank you for watching. I got some work to do. Talk to you later. Bye.